COVID-19 has caused turmoil all over the world. Let's explore three different aspects of the situation: its origination, current scenario, and how to deal with it. Its origination. By now, we know that this deadly virus possibly originated through animals. Do you know several infectious diseases may emerge from animals? They may carry harmful germs that can spread and cause various types of illness to human beings. It is perhaps the time to eliminate the primary root cause of such diseases by learning how to prepare natural foods that grow from Mother Earth. With that, everyone would be inclined not to hurt animals and instead eat delicious natural meals, be healthy, and avoid such a catastrophe. For those who are worried about protein, please be aware that even simple natural food resources like soya, broccoli, peas, quinoa, nuts, lentils, and several other resources have a tremendous amount of protein. You just need to know how to make a delicious meal out of it with your desired flavors. Let's talk about the second aspect. That's the current situation. The panic button is pressed everywhere. Is it the right way to deal with this disaster? Well, there are two perspectives to look at it. The first perspective is that in order to make people cautious in this sensitive environment, it is probably the most realistic approach. Otherwise, people may not take it seriously, move around, and thus spread disease much faster. I hope you are aware that symptoms of this virus may show up after several days or weeks. Hence, at this stage, we don't have an accurate count of the total number of people already infected worldwide. Scary, isn't it? The other perspective refers to the panic situation in the whole environment. It has affected the supply chain in many areas, and certain regular use materials are out of stock. Authorities and several stores are doing their best to manage it, though it is vital for all of us at this critical time to be a responsible citizen, a good human being, and act sensibly. Now, let's talk about the third aspect, how to deal with it. A four-letter magic word, HEAL, may guide you to deal with the crisis. HEAL means cure, though in the current context, it's an abbreviated form where H stands for hands. Be mindful of your hands. Frequently and adequately clean them using reliable soap and water or use authentic alcohol-based hand rub. Also, don't forget to moisturize in order to avoid skin irritation and dryness. Besides, watch over your hands to avoid touching your sense organs and external objects for no reason. E stands for education. Spend some time educating yourself about this whole scenario and how to live naturally. Thereafter, educate people in your surroundings. Don't assume others know how to deal with the situation. Hence, share authentic information with others. Use natural supplements like ginger, turmeric, garlic, and basil to enhance your immunity. You should first research what works best for you. A stands for away. That is, keep yourself away from crowded places and get together. Always isolate with others by maintaining a few feet distance. Moreover, instead of shaking hands and hugging, use Namaste, age-old hygienic technique of greeting others. It has no religious barrier. It humbly signifies respect shown by one person to others and establishes a soulful connection. It also has numerous therapeutic benefits. And finally, L stands for love. Care comes from love. Several countries and corporates are caring and taking the best possible measures to fight this crisis. In this situation, think about people whose family lives on their daily earnings. Their livelihood might have enormously impacted. In the current time of huge uncertainty, needy people may require our aid for essential items. Also, medical professionals who are combating with the virus day in and day out need our support and cooperation. Love, care, and help others wherever you can while taking the necessary precautions. For everyone's well-being, it is ideal to identify volunteers in your area who could collect donations of packed foods and other survival items. These volunteers may help needy people in their surroundings while maintaining all recommended precautions by local authorities and communities. Applying the HEAL concept may prove as a useful framework in the current situation. Let's pray for everyone's wellness. Stay safe, stay healthy. Namaste.